There's your theme song, Amir. Rogers Data Guy joining us right now. Nice to see you, man.
Nice to be here.
Okay, you've got the two sexiest smartphones, LTE connection with the Rogers connection as well. Tell us about, we're going to start with what, the HTC One?
Yeah, so this is the HTC One X exclusively to Rogers. I'm going to talk about a couple unique features about this one. The first being the camera. It is absolutely stunning. The one feature that I personally love about it is the fact that it can do a continuous shooting mode, meaning rapid fire. When we have those moments when you have either kids or hard to take fast-moving pictures, let me just, you know what, rather than talking about it, why don't we just do a demo?
Okay.
And I can really show you what it's capable of doing.
Okay,
so can we get something lined up, maybe?
Let's play some music and say we're at a dance party. I mean, you're talking rapid-fire still shots. You want to capture the moment. Oh, look, we have two dancers here. Hi. Jody and Michelle. We just need some music. Oh, that's the shot.
This is great. So
this is them on a Friday night, and this is Amir with the creeper cam.
So let's go ahead, and all I got to do is just hold it down.
Now, how many photos can you shoot on this?
You know, it can take actually up to 99 pictures at a time.
99 at a time. Okay, good job, ladies. You can take 5 now.
So as you can see, the effect of it is truly stunning.
That last one on the best shot right there, that's my favorite. That's your new profile pic. So 99, and that is a great feature because I don't know how many times someone's like, okay, hold on, I didn't get it, didn't get it, didn't get it. Yeah. And is this very unique? Are a lot of phones out there having this? You know,
this is unique to this phone. The camera itself is great because it also has a f2.0 aperture, so great for those low light conditions. And the other nice thing about it is the fact that when you're in the camera mode, which I can go back and show you, you can actually shoot the video right from here, and when you're actually doing video, you can actually do still shots while in the camcorder mode.
So you get both at the same time?
Yeah, exactly. So that's another cool, unique feature about this camera.
All right, HTC One X again is the name of that one.
Yeah.
Very sleek design as well. Let's go to the Nokia Lumia 900. Tell us about that one.
For sure. So this is the Windows-based phone. So this actually won several awards. I'm going to get you to hold that up for us.
And you had the headphones on. Is there a connection with the Beats on this?
Yeah, that's actually with the HTC One X. It supports the Beats audio capability, so which is really great. It gives you that enhanced sound experience.
Okay.
The Windows Phone 7, this particular device won the Consumer Electronics 2012 Award of the Year. So the Phone of the Year by CNET. Outstanding accomplishment. Highly anticipated. It's finally here. It's Nokia's premium flagship device.
Now the GPS is a big feature with this. Tell us about that.
So the key thing about it, it has, you know, all smartphones today do have the built-in GPS capability, but what's unique about the Nokia Drive is the fact that Nokia has actually acquired a company called Navtech. Navtech provides the mapping solution for TomTom and Garmin. So the fact that because they have that technology, you can actually have the maps pre-installed on the device, so you don't really need a SIM card or a data plan, and you can use it, you know, especially when you're overseas. It's great. It works as a standalone GPS. Great outdoors. Indoors, generally, usually a data plan helps with the connectivity to make it a little bit more of a smoother transition.
And you get the voice commands with it, turn left, turn right?
You do, and you can change the, you know, the voice as well.
So doesn't use up the data plan. You get the GPS, so you can save the cost when you're renting a car outside of your normal phone carrier zone.
Exactly. Yeah, that's the GPS capability. Another couple features I want to quickly show you is the next one here is the Microsoft Office experience. If we just tap back into our home screen, the Office and the Xbox integration. So really for the people out there that use Microsoft Office on their PC, that full-on experience with Microsoft Word, Excel, built in right on the phone. And for the game lovers, the Xbox integration is all right there as well.
They're all over it. Listen, we're out of time for this, but two interesting features if you want to pick up a new smartphone. Again, the HTC One X and the Nokia Lumia 900. Thanks for the dance party.
Thank you, and these are now exclusively available from Rogers at your stores right away.
Very good, Michelle. Maybe Amir can email you the photos afterwards because there's some doozies in there.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, and I'm going to be limping. I think I pulled a butt muscle. Is that possible?
Glute.
A glute!
I don't
Thank you,
need
Jody
to know
Vance.
these details.
Yes, okay, well, there you go. I know. Don't pull the visual.